Now, from left to right, what we received in the box is the Plesio pager along with its power supply. We also see the companion bedside monitor right there in the middle, also with its power supply, and a movement sensor just here, which sits atop this piece of foam just there. Now, also in the box we receive a Plesio pager quick start guide, which contains a lot of details about how to use the pager itself, along with the companion monitor handbook, which also states on how to use the device itself. So this is the companion bedside monitor. It's robust, it has a 1-year warranty, and we give telephone support and guidance on how to use it if the service user or carer or family member have problems. However, when these are installed, we do give a small sample of training, and we test it in front of the service user and its family members, and also in care residency we get the staff to actually come in and test it themselves. In this part of the video, I'll be demonstrating how a seizure would happen using the movement sensor we have here, which is connected to the companion bedside monitor on the left there. The pager, the Plesio pager we have on the right, has already been paired to the companion. So all we need to do is simulate a seizure using this movement sensor, which should usually be under the mattress. So if we tap like this, we should receive a light there on the monitor. Now that just means the monitor can sense movement. Now this is set to 15 seconds of continuous movement. Now it's gone into alarm mode. So first off, we get the pager in our hand. So the carer or the family member would press the pair mute button at the top to clear the pager, but for the first time. Then the family member or carer would walk into the service user's room, go straight to the companion bedside monitor, press the reset button, which would reset the monitor. Then they would just need to do one more clear on the Plesio pager, and that's totally finished. That is exactly what carers do in case of a tonic-clonic seizure. When resetting that system, it is so easy for the carer to do so, as they only press 2 buttons. That is it. They press the pair mute button to silence the pager, and they press the reset button again. Now they just press these 2 buttons, which makes it absolutely brilliant for the care staff or for the family member, due to the fact that it is so easy to use. Now the installation, they don't need to worry about the position of the movement sensor, due to the fact that the engineer will go out and then install it properly in the correct position and make sure that everything is tested and fully working when left the property. Now once that's happened, you can see, we'll go into the appearance of the monitor itself, because the appearance, Alertit have put their logo on both devices, and they've also used like the blue background and say an orange colour just to use in titles and buttons. And on the pager, the orange actually makes the buttons stand out a hell of a lot more than just if they were circled. However, the companion monitor has the reset button with the orange circle around the reset button, which makes it very, very visible. It also is very matte in colour, or texture, so it's very smooth and can be wiped down quite easily with a cloth if it ever got dirty. So the pager The serial number will be on the back there with the model number. The pager can be plugged into a almost like a docking system, which is really good, that we also supply. However, it comes with a power supply lead, which is there. The pager has about 450 meter range to the device, so it can be in another building right next to the service user and can be still alerted, which is absolutely brilliant. It really is. The quality, the build itself of the device is very strong. If you feel it, you can really. It's not heavy, but it's heavy enough to make you think that it's very strong in build. Now they've gone through lots of different types of companions in the past, and this is the newest version. They have had aerials in the past. However, it's just been made into a very simple display for the service use, for the carer or for the family member, just to look over and know what's happening.